Hi friends. Today we are going to start the first introductory lesson on spoken English. Often I have seen that spoken English is a challenge for many students. But don't worry, I'll give you some very nice techniques by which you can master the art of speaking. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. First technique which I am going to give you is just speak in English with anybody you meet. Now the question arises is, if I don't know how to speak English, how will I speak? Doesn't matter. With the broken English, however you can, without worrying about your grammatical mistakes, just try to put words, or however possible, mix it with your native language and try speaking. So the first technique is speak, speak and speak in English with whomever you meet. And if you notice that somebody is better than you in English, request them to correct your English. Do not hesitate to tell them that I am in a mission mode, that is, I have taken a challenge to master the art of speaking in English. So you just tell them and begin speaking, start to speak. No matter what they feel, or if they, definitely I'm sure that they will encourage you. And if not, still it is fine. Be in your mission, because you are the one who is going to get the full benefit of speaking in English. So the first technique is speak. Okay, now coming to the second technique. The second technique is a very simple technique. As soon as you get up in the morning, read something. Now, many of my students have said that, I don't get a newspaper to read. No matter whatever magazine, books, story books, whatever material you get, you read one page of it, or at least one paragraph of it. Try to understand every word by word. If you are not getting any word, look into the dictionary, search it in the Google, and then you make sure that you have understood the full paragraph or the page or the content. Then you start writing it in your own words. This is called paraphrasing. Paraphrase it in your own words. Now once you paraphrase, the thing will be very much the content will be memorized in your mind. You will easily able to memorize the whole thing, and so then prepare it in such a way as if you are going to give a talk or explain it to your student. So now then say it what you have written. Just say it in your own words. Try to explain the content, and if you are not successful in the first attempt, doesn't matter, repeat this procedure. The procedure I will repeat. The second technique that is, read a paragraph or a page, write it down in your own word, that is paraphrasing, then explain it to as if you are explaining it to somebody. Okay, now here one more small thing you have to do, that is record it. I am sure now there are many recording devices. You can record it in your smartphone, or you can save the files date wise in the system, or even in the phone. Now here you need to be careful. Don't listen it immediately. Now there is a strong reason behind it. Don't listen to your recording immediately. Why? Because immediately if you listen, you may not feel good. You may not feel that no, it's not happening, or this is not working. Doesn't matter. Just keep your recording date wise. Again, after 2-3 days, record another. Again, after 2-3 days, record another. Now the first recording and the say fifth recording, you listen to the both recording on the fifth day, or whatever day you have recorded the last recording, I mean the first recording and the last recording. Then what do? You compare. You will find an amazing difference. You will find an amazing difference. You have improved. You will find that you have improved a lot. Not only that, your confidence level day to day it will increase, because it is becoming a daily practice. Okay. So this is the second technique. Now I am going to give you the third technique. Third technique is, you can do it mentally. Okay. So whenever you go anywhere, like suppose you are going to market to buy something, to purchase something, now there you will be seeing the surroundings around you. Suppose the man is buying something. Okay, so you repeat that sentence in English. Okay, so the man is standing by the shop. I think he wants to purchase something. The shopkeeper is very slow. So then the guy is driving the vehicle very rash. So these type of sentences, small sentences, you try to create in your own mind. Okay, so the benefit what you will achieve by this is that you will make a habit of practicing it every now and then. And also this is, if you practice in this way, whenever you have no choice, that means whenever you have to speak in English, you will not face that difficulty, because you will be acquainted with those kind of sentences, with those dealings. Now there is another very interesting practice which you can do it. You can come home. Suppose you went somewhere, you come back home, and then describe the entire event from starting from home till you come back. Starting from home till you come back. Describe the entire event mentally to someone, as if you are explaining the whole thing to your family members or to your best friend, to anybody, and describe it in English. Now doing this, you will face many difficulties. While doing this, you will face many difficulties in describing. Search for those words in Google. Okay, try to frame sentences, or you can ask somebody, your mentor, so I want to speak this one. How should I articulate this, or how can I frame a very nice sentence on this? And you can just be on. So the main motive is, you have, from today, you have to be on the mission mode and start these 3 techniques daily, on daily basis. Okay, so this was the first introductory lesson. Again, I will give a series of lecture, that is, as you know, the name of the channel is Spoken English Challenge. That is a challenge of 45 days, challenge for not anybody else, challenge to not, you are not challenging to anybody else, but it is a challenge to yourself, that you will speak in English in 45th day. That means 45th day you can write in the comment box that now I can speak English confidently. And believe me, the lessons, if you practice with me, I guarantee you that you will be very much confident in speaking English in just 45 days. 45 days you have to follow my lecture and do it as I say. and I guarantee you that you can speak in English from 45th day onward. I know it's little hard to believe, but if you practice with me, if you follow my lessons meticulously, it is not at all an impossible task. Stay tuned till my next lesson. Okay, probably on daily basis I'll try to make one lesson, and on the 45th day you can write down that you have followed every lessons and you have confidently, you can now speak confidently. With this I end my today's lecture. Bye. Thank you.